Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. So big change happened with the Chrome 115 version. Onwards, you have to have a separate browser. The browser is especially designed only and only for automation testing. So till 114, what exactly we were doing, that we were just actually using the existing browser, and Selenium was using the same browser, and it's a kind of replica of the same browser. And now we have a dedicated browser, like dedicated Chrome browser for the automation testing. And it's only applicable for the Chrome version or Chrome browsers, not for other browsers like Firefox or Edge or Safari and all those things. It's specially designed for Chrome. Good feature, but couple of changes that we have to do. And we have to understand that what exactly from 115 onwards, what exactly we have to do and what are different configurations and everything we have to do in our system. So I'll show you on the Mac machine also and in the Windows machine also that I'm already having it with me. Now see this carefully without wasting our time. So if I'm really want to interact with, let's see, Chrome 114 or 110, 112, 113 or previous version from before 114 or including 114 also. So what we need, we have to have the respective Chrome driver.exe file. For example, if I really want to have this particular Chrome 114 in my system, for example, then in that case, I really need 114.chromedriver.exe file so that I can interact with this particular browser without any problem. Okay, if you're having 112 browser, then you have to have 112.exe file. Now what happened from version 115 browser onwards, Selenium Chrome team, they have said that, okay, you have to have a separate Chrome browser version only for testing point of view. So how exactly this Chrome driver.exe will work? So in that case, also the exactly same process will happen, that you really need to have 115.exe file. So in that case also, if I really want to interact with this browser, then I should have this 115.exe file. And with this 115.exe, I have to interact with this browser. But the question here is that how will you get this 115.exe? Now, because they have changed their location of the .exe, all the binary. We used to download the binary from the Chromium. If you remember that Chromium page, now we don't have any specific Chromium page from 115 onwards. They have created a separate dashboard for that. And that dashboard, I'll show you how exactly it looked like. So what we have to do now, we have a dedicated dashboard. Okay, so let's see, this is my dashboard. It's on online dashboard. And then on this particular dashboard, they have given the version specific two things. So let's see, if I really want to use browser version 115, it means you have to download chrome.exe. It means your browser plus Chrome driver.exe also you can download it from here. Okay, so this is what the major change happened. Now let me write Chrome driver. Okay, so now how exactly this dashboard look like and everything, that I'll also show you in some time. But let's say tomorrow, after 1 month, again 116.x version is available, then again you have to do what? Exactly same thing, that you really need to download that Chrome browser.exe and then Chrome driver.exe, that you have to have it. But what kind of browser it is? This is not your regular browser that you're using for the normal internet purpose. This is especially designed for automated testing purpose. Okay, I'll show you how exactly it looks like. It exactly looks like this only, but it is having one notification over here that, okay, this is actually used for only designed for automated testing, right? So this is called a dashboard, or provided by the Chromium team, or you can say a Google team, not by Selenium. So I'll say this is my dashboard. Now I quickly show you how exactly this dashboard looks like and everything. So what you have to do, you simply go to Google, and here you can see that in my Chrome also that 115 is already updated. And then I simply open a new tab, and then I'll write download what? Chrome driver. This is how we download. And if you go to chromedriver.chromium.org on this particular website, and we used to have all the different versions. See, up to 114 they have listed, but for 115 they have not listed anything. See, before 115, 113, 112 is available, but where is 115? So now see the note here. If you are using Chrome version 115, it means browser version 115 or the newer version, please consult the Chrome for testing availability dashboard. So that's why the dashboard name is CFTA dashboard that they have created. Remember this. Chrome for testing availability dashboard. This page provides convenient JSON endpoints. They have given some endpoints URL for a specific Chrome driver version for downloading. So now we will right click on it and go to new tab, and this is the dashboard it looks like. So now guys, what we have to do now onwards, whenever you have to work with Selenium, you have to focus on this dashboard all the time. And here you can see that this is a Chrome for testing availability dashboard, and they have given various endpoints here. And in fact, on this dashboard, you will get all the future releases information also. So here you can see the latest current stable version is 115. Upcoming will be 5790110, maybe some patches coming. And then 116 beta, 117 is already in the dev mode, 117 in the canary release, and canary upcoming for the 117 whenever it's available. For upcoming, they have given cross because right now maybe it's not available, but very soon it will be available. If you really want to test 116 in the beta mode, you can test it with beta dev and canary release for 117 also. But let's focus on 115 right now because this is the most stable version that we are having it right now, the latest stable version. So I simply click on this stable and then you will see a table here. Okay, you can see the table for 115. Same thing, table for 115 for upcoming 110 patch. And then you can see that 116 beta, 117 dev, 117 canary releases, and all the future releases endpoints also that they have given here. Now, two things, as I told you here, that Chrome DXE and driver.exe, both you will get it from here, not from here now. Here up to 114. After that, it's over. Now we have to use 115. So here we will see that, okay, yeah, 115 and two things here. Chrome browser you can download, and this, what kind of browser it is? This is my automated testing browser, especially designed only and only for automation purpose. And then the respective Chrome driver.exe also you can download for your operating system, the corresponding operating system that you are having it. For example, I'll show you in the Windows also. For example, let's see, I really want to download this particular Chrome for my Mac machine. If you really want to use for Windows, you can download this one. So this is an endpoint. I copy this endpoint and I quickly go to the new tab here. Let me go to a new tab and paste it here. And see, it is actually downloading one zip file over here. And this zip file will be available. It's around 124 MB available in my downloads folder. So I simply go to my downloads and here you can see this is a zip file. And under the zip file, I'll find a new fresh Chrome browser. See, this is my original browser where exactly we are using the internet. Now for automation point of view with the Selenium that we have to use Google Chrome for testing. You can directly open from here also. See, I'm going to open it. If it is giving you this message, especially on the Mac machine, it means it's a permission issue. What else you can do? You can just right click on it and go to show package content, go to contents, click on Mac OS. And this exe also, you can open it directly from here. So let's see, I'll just open it with the terminal. And when I open it with the terminal, and it will open a browser here. Simple click on open. Are you sure you want to open? And in few seconds, the browser will open with this. So you can just simple see it here, this one. And here, can you see a message here? Chrome for testing 115 is only for automated testing. For regular browsing, use a standard version of Chrome that updates automatically. And you can download the standard version from here. Okay, we don't need to download. We are already having it. So now from 115 onwards, it's only and only for automated testing. And that's why you can see the logo also got changed. It's now written with one test over here on this. But this is my normal browser and this is my Google Chrome for testing. The tooltip is also saying the Google Chrome for testing purpose. Now we have to run our automation test cases on this particular browser. So I hope this is, first of all, this basic architecture is clear, or whatever the new things are there, it's clear. So in our source code, if you are using after 460, you all are aware of that we can use Selenium Manager also, or we can use WebDriver Manager also, like Bonnie Garcia API. So for example, the latest version of Selenium is what, 4.10.0 that we are using it. And this 4.10.0 does not understand that what is Chrome for testing, that how exactly I'm going to interact with this. Because this 4.10.0 has no idea that I have to download the latest.exe from this particular dashboard, right? So because 4.10.0 will typically go where? It will typically call the Chromium APIs from here, and whatever the browser version that you are already having it in your system. For example, 114, it will download it from here. This is what the regular Selenium works with respect to Chrome driver.exe. Now this 4.10.0 has no idea that I have to download 115 or 116.exe file from this particular dashboard. So that is a major change will happen in Selenium. And that will be available maybe by next week whenever you are getting 4.11.0 version. It's already officially announced that they are going to very soon, they are going to release 110, maybe next couple of days or maybe by next week, it will be there for sure. Maybe by after watching this, while watching this video, maybe it's already uploaded or means this artifact is already available in your Maven repository. Now, what we have to do here, we really want to test it because my browser got upgraded to 115. Here you can see that my browser is now got upgraded to 115. So we have what? We should have this 115.exe. But before that, I really want to do one experiment that can I use this 114.exe that I'm already having it? Can I use this for my, I'm already having one Chrome browser, right? Not for testing. The original browser is also got upgraded to 115. So I'm already having this 115.x version of my Chrome, the normal browser. Can I interact with this combination with 114? Let's try that. And then we know that, okay, 460 Selenium Manager will automatically download all the Chrome driver.exe. Now you don't need to write any system.set property. So in that case, I quickly come back here in my caching, in my cache folder, you can see in Chrome driver, how many Chrome drivers I'm having it. I simply see up to 114, I'm having it, but not 115. Right now, let's see, I'll do one thing. I'll open my Eclipse and then run this particular program. And I'm already having the latest version, that is 4.10.0. And then I'm going to run this program. Ideally, it will check while before running the browser. Ideally, it will check, right? That do you have Chrome driver 115 version is available because your browser is 115. So obviously it will not find in my cache folder here, in this particular folder here, obviously, right? So in that case, let's see with the 114.exe, am I able to interact with 115.x or not? Okay, not the automated testing, the normal browser. Let's see. So yes, this is working. So as such, there is no blocker, but it will be a problem in future when 114.exe will not support, let's see, 116 or the new version of Chrome browser. So that's always we should be compatible. It means we have to make it a compatibility that whatever the browser version that you are having it, the same .exe you should have it. Right now, what we are doing this experiment that yes, 114.exe is still working with 114. So fine, no worries. But it might be a problem and definitely it will be a problem in future also. So in that case, what I need this guy 115.exe. How will you get this particular 115.exe now? So we will do one thing because Selenium cannot download 115.exe because Selenium does not understand where is the dashboard. So in that case, what should I do? In that case, I manually download it, this particular Chrome driver.exe, and then we will give the path of Chrome driver.exe with the help of system.set property just to check that my browser or my execution is running on this particular browser or not. So how will we do that? So let's go to that dashboard here. This is a dashboard that I shown you. So Chrome that we have downloaded, now the corresponding Chrome driver.exe also that I have to download. So I'll just simply copy this particular zip once again, zip's URL, endpoint URL, and paste it here. When I paste it here, see, it will give you Chrome driver.zip file. So I quickly go to my downloads folder. Okay, let's click on downloads and see this. This is the Chrome driver 115.exe that I have manually downloaded. And this is the one. Okay, so this is 115.exe. And then I'll do one thing. I simply right click on it and give the path, get the path of this Chrome driver.exe and come back to your Eclipse. And then before that, what exactly I'm going to do that here, I'm going to write that system.set a property method. And then the key that I'm going to write, that is a webdriver.chrome.driver and the value of that 115.exe file that I'm going to write. So this is my Chrome driver. Here we don't need to write .exe in the Mac machine. Same thing you can do with the Windows also. That also I'll show you. So what I'm doing, see, my browser is, here I'm writing especially for our reference, my browser is 115. Okay. And this exe is also 115.exe file. So both are obviously compatible. So let's see which browser version it is actually opening or, okay. Ideally, it will not work. I'll show you why. So let's run it and see on the console output, it's giving me the error that session could not created. It says that cannot find your Chrome binary. Why? Because as I mentioned that 115.exe says that I need the Chrome browser. Which Chrome browser? For the automated testing, that's Google Chrome guys that they have given. Now you have this 115.exe you have actually downloaded. Then this Chrome 115.exe can interact with only and only the Chrome for testing browser that we have it over here. Okay. So obviously that's why it says that this 115.exe won't be able to interact with this browser. So that is what I'm trying to say. This will not interact with this browser. That's why we are getting the error. Right. So this says, okay, hey, I could not find that where exactly your Chrome for testing or automated testing Chrome browser version that is this with this new logo. Where exactly is that? So how exactly we can do? There are two ways. What we can do if you're using this one, this Chrome driver.exe, I'll do one thing. I'll just quickly this Chrome browser, this entire Chrome for testing that you have used. What I can do here is that whatever the .exe file is available, I just right click on it and go to copy and I'll move it in the same directory. Okay. So let's quickly come back here and move it over here. It means this is your 115.exe and this is your the automated testing browser also. This is also available. It means the new Chrome version or new Chrome browser is also available for testing. Both are in the same directory. Then if I keep it in the same directory, let's see, is it really picking or not? So let's right click on it and go to run as Java application once again. And let's see, this time it's really opening or not. So I'll open the console. Again, it's saying the same error that cannot find the Chrome binary. So this solution is also not working. Then in that case, I'll do one thing that whatever the okay, so see this, what we have to do, because it's not able to understand that where exactly this Google Chrome for testing is available. Because this driver equal to new Chrome driver, that line that we have written, it will always try to open the normal browser that you are already having it. And this 115.exe will not support the normal browser. So in that case, what we can do, see this, in that case, we can use Chrome options and we can set the binary for that. So how to set the binary for this? Just me show you that as well. So see here I'm writing, I'm creating the object of Chrome options, which is equal to new Chrome options. Okay. And then import this Chrome options. And then I'm writing co.set binary method is available. This binary, and it says you can give me the file path also or a string path also. So let me give the path of this. Okay. And let's write it the exact path here. And what is the name? Again, I'll go to my downloads and come back here. Right click, go to show package content, open contents, Mac OS. And this is a name. You can rename also if you really want to write a short name. So I simply say that, let's see, rename, and then copy this entire file name. And here we have to give the file name. No need to write .exe. Let it be like this. And this new Chrome options is, this is the actually .set binary. We have to use it here, not here. So cut it and over here. This is the path actually. Sorry, by mistake, I actually copy pasted there. Okay, this one. So this is the path, let's see, that we are using it. And now let's see, run it, what happens. So now we have given the co.set binary, and then co also we have to supply it over here. So I'm going to run it and let's see, is it really opening the automated testing browser or not? Now, can you see the automated testing browser is getting opened and the Google Chrome got launched there? Nice. It means now we are actually successfully running our test or whatever the script that we are running on the 115 version with the 115.exe. And 115 version means which version? The automated testing browser version. That's why you can see Chrome for testing for 115, and this Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. Kind of had a little bit complication, unnecessary, that just because of this. It's not the fault of Selenium. It's problem actually coming from the Google Chrome side, because 1.15 onward, they have changed things. So obviously Selenium has to update it accordingly. So what is the latest update from the Selenium? Selenium guy says that, okay, from 4.11.0 onwards, this Selenium manager will automatically download Chrome driver.exe. So now from 1.10 onwards, it will start interacting with this dashboard with these endpoints. It will download chrome.exe and the Chrome driver.exe in your cache folder. The way earlier it was just downloading this particular 1.14, along this particular 1.15 folder will be created. Inside that, you will see Chrome driver.exe as well as the browser, the automated test Chrome browser.exe also, you will get it at the same place. And then after that, you again no need to set any system.set property and all those things. Okay, so that will be the solution. Maybe in next couple of days, it will be available. Nice. So I hope you get it now. After that, whatever you want to enter, it will enter. So let's quickly enter, let's see, driver dot find element. Rest of the script will remain same. So let's see, I think by dot name is there, and then I'm writing QA, Q dot send keys, and here I'm writing, let's see, Naveen AutomationLabs. Okay, and that's it. So let's quickly run it, run as this. Once again, see the new browser. This is my, can you see the logo here? This is my automated testing browser, and see it's opening google.com here. And then once the page is loaded completely, after that, see, this is still in the, okay, I think it's still, okay, got executed. Nice. So let me just quickly run it again because it could not load the google.com properly. So let's run it again. Okay, now it's coming, and then see Naveen AutomationLabs got entered. Maybe last time the page could not be loaded properly, but still we have to test it that my entire execution is working or not properly. So I would advise you, please wait for next couple of days. Definitely the 4.1.10 is available. I'm going to update you. I'll show you one official tweet also. Okay, so this is the official, I mean, the Titus is one of the Selenium, I would say the committer. Sorry for everything struggling with the Chrome driver for 1.15. 4.1.1 is almost ready. It will fix all the current issues created by Chrome bugs and outdated drive managers. It is also going to manage Chrome downloads as well as the driver downloads. See, exactly, I told you the same thing, and I have also done here. So let's wait for 4.11.0. Okay, so I hope this is this configuration is clear now. So make sure that, okay, you please bookmark this. I'll share this URL also with you guys. Now onwards, we always have to download or check the Chrome and the Chrome driver from here. But Selenium guys will take care of it. You don't need to open it and download it again and again. Selenium manager will automatically download both .exe as well as the browser.exe for you. This is just for our reference point of view. Now I'll show you exactly same thing in the Windows machine also, that how exactly it is working. So let me share my Windows now. So now you can see on my screen, this is my Windows system. My Windows is also having a Chrome latest version 1.15. So what I'll do, again, I'll go to the dashboard URL. So for that, I simply write it once again, download Chrome driver, and open the first link from here. And I'll start downloading that part as well. So again, go to this availability dashboard, click on this stable. And now this is a Windows machine. So in that case, on the Windows machine that I'm going to download Chrome Windows 64-bit or 32-bit. So my machine is 64-bit. So just copy this and then open in a new, okay, just a second. Open it in a here. Okay. So now you can see that it's Chrome Windows 64.zip file is getting downloaded. And then the same thing that I'm going to download this respective Chrome driver.exe also. So again, Windows 64-bit. So copy this and open in a new tab and then paste it. And this .zip file, we are going to download it here as well. Okay. And then I'll go to my downloads folder. And here you can see that Chrome 64 and Windows 64 driver and both are available. Okay, actually I downloaded it again. That's why it's giving the one also in the bracket. So this is the Chrome browser. And you can see that Chrome Windows 64. And here, this is a Chrome browser that you have to open. In Windows 64, it's slightly different. Just open that. And here you can see that Chrome for testing, especially designed for automated testing. Okay, let me just close this. Again, come back to my downloads and let me check the .exe file also here. So the Chrome driver.exe file is here. And that is Chrome driver.exe, which is 115.exe that we have downloaded here. Okay. So now let's check it. How will you test it in the Windows? Again, go back to your Eclipse. And the first thing that we have to write, what? System.set property, just to check this particular feature, because we are still using 4.10.0 and Selenium Manager will work only till 114 as of now. So once 4.11 is available, that time we don't need to write the system.set property. So here I'm writing a WebDriver dot again a Chrome dot driver, and the path of the driver also we have to write it here. The path of the driver is here. That is, copy this path, and this is the Chrome driver path. Make sure that you are extracting this folder also, and the file name is what? Chrome driver.exe. In Windows machine, you have to write .exe, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so that is the first thing. Let me just maximize it, and also I'll show you in my pom.xml file. I'm using up to 4.10.0 Selenium Java version. Okay, now that is the first thing. Second thing is what? Second thing, again, we have to create the Chrome options. CO is equal to new Chrome options. And then we have to set the binary. So first of all, let's import this Chrome options, and then co.set a binary method that I'm going to use with the string path, and the path of that particular binary. That is also we have to give it over here. So what we will do, we will again go to the downloads folder, and let's go to Chrome Windows 64 up to here. And this is a chrome.exe file is available. So copy this and come back here, /, and this is the binary .exe, my Chrome browser version.exe. Okay, not driver version. And once the binary is set, then after that, I'm going to write my WebDriver driver is equal to new Chrome driver, and then supply the CO here. And whatever the step that you really want to write after that, you can just let me import this. Let's launch normal browser driver.get, and the URL is, let's see, HTTPS www.google.com. And let me enter one small value also, driver.find element by a name that I'm using it, and I'm supplying Q here, send keys, and then I'm writing Naveen AutomationLabs. Okay, I'm not quitting it, but let me write system.out.println also, that I really want to print driver. The title of this particular page also. Perfect. So let's see, is it really working or not? It should open what? It should open 115 browser, the Chrome browser that is for automated browser, the testing browser. It should open that. Okay, so let's quickly run as Java application. Okay, let's wait for that. So it is started. Nice. Can you see here? It got entered, and then after that, it will enter Naveen AutomationLabs, and it's printing the title also on my console. Google is a title. And you can see that this is Chrome for testing 115 something here. Okay, it's only for automated testing. So in Windows also exactly same process, that if you are using it, you have to use it, the dashboard. So, and this is the availability, Chrome for testing availability dashboard. Remember this particular name, bookmark it also. Okay, so once the 4.11.0 is available, we don't need to worry about it. It will automatically download. In Windows, where exactly it will download? In Windows, it will download go to your C drive. And after that, you have to go to the users folder, go to the users that you are having it, and go to .cache folder under Selenium. See, it's maintaining all the drivers here. So Windows 32 and then 114 is already available. See, it did not download 115. Why? Because right now it has no idea that where exactly the dashboard endpoints are available or not. So with 4.11, it is available. That's why it is not able to pick the things from here. So what will happen in Windows also, it will create a new 115 folder after 4.11. And then it will download both the things from the dashboard, from these endpoints. One is the Chrome browser also and the .exe file also in the same folder. And then after that, you don't need to give this a set binary and then system.set property as such. So I'll prepare a fresh video on this, a new video also whenever the 4.11.0 is available. Meanwhile, if you are blocked and if you really want to use a 115, the automated testing browser, you can use it with this particular thing. I hope this is clear now. So that's all for this video, guys. Please share this video with others on social media and your groups so that people are actually aware of it, because it's not very much well documented. This is just an experiment that I did and I really want to share it with you guys. So I hope it's clear now. Thank you. And thank you so much.